whatever I say today, there will be probably a lot of people in Russia saying, come on, shut up, Klaus, you're a musician, don't talk politics, you know. And yeah, maybe they're right. But on the other side, I'm just a human being, you know, and I feel hurt. I feel really hurt by what I see every day here in our media, you know. So is this the truth or is it not, you know? I think it is, you know, and we realize thousands of people coming every day from the Ukraine, running for their lives, trying to survive, you know. So is this a fake? I don't think so. I think, especially with this song, we paid so much respect to Russia. All those years, all those decades, just believing we live on one planet and we should live closer together than ever before. That's what I saw in all those years, playing shows in Russia, you know, in Moscow and St. Petersburg, Ekaterinburg, and all the way to Vladivostok and back, you know. So people were singing this song and many other Scorpion songs with so much power and passion. And so we felt so much connected. And the next day we played in the Ukraine. And it was the same in Kiev, in Donetsk, you know, in Odessa, all those beautiful cities that are buried under rubble right now, some of them, you know. And it breaks your heart when you see it. When we started the residency in Las Vegas, like in March, and thinking about Wind of Change, it was like I was listening to my heart, you know. And can we play this song the way we used to play it for so many years? And I thought it's not the time to romanticize Russia, you know, in lines like I follow the Moskva down to Gorky Park, let your balalaika sing, you know. It doesn't take that much, you know. It's just, I wanted to write down what I felt, and I felt like, now listen to my heart. It says Ukraine, it says Ukrainia, you know, and we're waiting for the wind to change.
Now listen to my heart, it says Ukrainia, waiting for the wind to change.
Like a country coming from World War II, growing up in a post-war generation where our parents saw the demons of war and building up the country again in the 50s and the 60s, you know. So, and then growing up in a divided country, we saw that all those refugees from East Germany, from the former DDR, when they tried to make it to the West, try to live a free life, and they were shot, you know, they were killed. Never in my lifetime I thought anything like this can ever happen again, you know. When we grew up, you know, we saw Khrushchev hitting the table in the United Nations, you know, and we thought, wow, this is the next war is around the corner. And when we played in Moscow and St. Petersburg, in Leningrad back in 88, 89, we saw, no, this is not the empire of the evil. This is great people. This is a wonderful country, so beautiful, with such a rich culture, you know, and we made so many friends, you know. And so it was a very historical moment in time. And this is another historical moment in time we're facing right now. And I hope from the bottom of my heart that people who make decisions or have the power to make decisions, make the right decisions in order that we all can live in peace with our neighbors again.